Hello YouTube. So tonight I'm doing a complete lid latch or lid lock replacement on my Whirlpool Cabrio Platinum. I'm doing a video because I haven't seen any repairs done on the newer model, and the replacement on this and taking it apart is a little bit different than other videos I've seen. I did try to use a temporary fix with the dielectric grease on the contact pads of the lid lock mechanism in a previous video. I'll link that video in an iCard above, in case that is a cheap fix or a temporary fix for you. But it only worked for a couple of loads for me and then stopped working. So I had to order the complete replacement part. And this is factory certified OEM. And that is the part number W10810403. And that goes for model number WTW7300DW0. Again, this is the Whirlpool Cabrio Platinum. I also did have to replace my bevel right here that the lid latch comes out of, right here to lock the lid. That I just used a rubber mallet and just gently tamped that down into place. You want to be careful when you're unscrewing the two screws right here, because this piece is plastic and extremely fragile, and I didn't have one of these to use my T15 bit in. So I used my drill, and even gently it snapped the plastic on it. But anyway, I want to get right to this. I don't want to have to edit this video. The first thing you're going to need is some tape. So that you don't break your lid. And really the parts to replace this are really simple. You need a 1/4 inch socket, your T15 bit, flathead screwdriver, and this is the couple of screws that I had to pop out with the socket to take the back off of the control panel. So after you've taped your lid down, and my machine is portable, it's on a heavy-duty dolly so that I can put it in the closet when I'm not using it, but I've already taken the piece off the back here just by removing those couple of screws and that one piece that goes over here. And to lift your lid on this, basically you push forward and lift up at the same time. And the videos you see online, they use a chain to hold it in place. I don't have the chain, so I'm just going to lean that up against the door. But basically, you're going to unscrew your lid latch mechanism right here, your old one, and just pop this out from the clips. And I already cut off the end to this so that I can just pull it through since it's garbage anyway. In the other videos, they showed a putty knife going up under here to release the clips so that you can get to the control panel. But the way this is rounded off at the corner right here, my putty knife wouldn't fit under there. So basically you just go up under here, and literally I just pushed my flathead screwdriver down. To release the clip. I'm going to spin this around to get to the control panel. And basically this gray wire right here you just gently unplug the old piece. And since I cut the end, it's just easy to pull out like that. Okay, something important I forgot to mention is the new lid latch or lid lock, whatever you want to call it, does not come with the T15 screws. So you want to save those two from your old lid latch mechanism so that you can attach the new one. Okay, so we're going to go back from the inside to start to thread the new part through. And you can just push this clip into this hole right here to hold it in place. And then all you do is just snap the new part. Down in there, just like that. Okay, so I'm just going to snap the top piece back in place. And to do that, you just kind of want to put it at an angle. The wire behind your little clips right here. So on the side, it's just the two metal clips that you're reattaching. And that's it, the piece is in. And I'm just going to show you how I put the machine back together so that those that don't know how to do it know how. And this is a good time also if your drum is dusty and dirty like mine, to just get in there with a rag and some cleaner and clean that up. Okay, so you're going to lay your lid down now and just start putting everything back together. And you can go ahead and pull that tape up.